Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're talking about the best slushy machine that can turn your kitchen into a fun drink station in minutes. If you love frozen drinks but hate the mess and effort, this one might surprise you. Let's check out what makes it so special. Let's get started. Meet the Glopper Slushie Machine, a smart and easy way to make smooth frozen drinks right at home. What makes the Glopper Slushie Machine stand out is its 360-degree rotating stirring blades. These blades keep the liquid moving while it freezes, so the texture stays smooth and even. You do not get big ice chunks or uneven freezing. Every cup comes out soft, icy, and perfectly blended. Another great feature is the 6 preset programs. You can make classic slushies, spiked slushies, milkshakes, frozen juices, frappes, and even cold beverages. The best part is you do not need ice or pre-chilled ingredients. Just pour in your drink, choose the program, and let the Glopper Slushie Machine do the work. It takes away the guesswork and makes the whole process simple and fun. If you like your drink extra thick or a bit lighter, you can adjust the consistency. This customization feature gives you full control over the final texture, so whether you want a heavy frozen treat or a smoother sip, you can easily set it the way you like. Speed is also impressive. The Glopper Slushie Machine uses a powerful compressor for rapid cooling. Your frozen drink can be ready in as little as 15 minutes, and even in warmer rooms, it will not take longer than 60 minutes. That means less waiting and more enjoying. The machine comes with a 2-liter barrel capacity, which is great for serving multiple cups at once. You can prepare enough for family or friends without having to refill again and again. To help you get creative, a recipe guide is included. It gives you ideas for margaritas, fruit slushes, milkshakes, and many more refreshing options. Using it feels comfortable thanks to the ergonomic handle. Pouring and filling are smooth and easy, so you do not struggle when serving drinks. And when it comes to cleaning, the Glopper Slushie Machine keeps things simple. It has a self-cleaning mode for quick daily maintenance. For deeper cleaning, you can unlock the rear handle, remove the barrel and parts, and rinse them or place them in the dishwasher. There is even a removable drip tray to catch spills and keep your counter neat. The design looks modern and clean, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Every detail, from the rotating blades to the easy cleaning system, is built to make frozen drinks stress-free and enjoyable. This machine really changes the way you make cold drinks at home. Check the price link in the description and see if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.